Hello, boys and girls. Welcome. In the evening, we have here two puzzles in the puzzle page. The puzzle page not in today's newspaper on Monday, September the 18th, 2023. I've told you earlier, in today's newspaper we have no extra puzzles, no additional. So I've decided to solve the rest of the puzzles in the puzzle page. This is the puzzle page, and also we have an additional. There are 3 puzzles left in the additional in the weekend edition, and I've already solved one puzzle. The 3 stars, well, it should be a 2 stars puzzle, and we have here the binary puzzle here, last puzzle in the puzzle page, and this one will be number 7118. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one is 28 printed digits, and it's a 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 10 by 10 10 by 10 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 5 1s and 5 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Double O, here one, there one. And double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. 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 Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. 1 2 3 4 5 1. So rest are O's. Between the ones comes an O. Between the ones comes an O. Between the ones comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Between the ones comes an O. Between two O's comes an 1. Between the ones comes an O. Between two O's comes an 1. Between two O's comes an 1. 1 2 3 4 5 ones. So the rest are O's. Between two O's comes an 1. Between two ones comes an O. Between two ones comes an O. Then I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first one, second one, third one, fourth one, and fifth one. So that box should be an O. Between two O's comes an 1. Between two O's comes an 1. I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first O, second O, third O, fourth O, fifth O. So that box should be a 1. Double one, here no, there no. Between two O's comes an 1. Double one, here no, there no. Between two O's comes an 1. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4 5 1. So the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. 1 2 3 4 5 O's. So the rest are 1s. Between the 1s comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. 1 2 3 4 5 1. So the rest are O's. Between the O's comes an 1. 1 2 3 4 5 O's. So the rest are 1s. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Between two O's comes an 1. Double one, here no, there no. Between two O's comes an 1. 1 2 3 4 5 O's. So the rest are 1s. Between two 1s comes an O. Between two O's comes an 1. Double one, here no, there no. 1 2 3 4 5 1s. So the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Between two O's comes an 1. And we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. Finished in 5 minutes. Well. We solved it again. And I like this one, yes, I really do. You think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the other puzzles. Yeah, in the puzzle page. No, in the additional. 3 puzzles left. Binary Sudoku, 2 stars, and tectonic. Alright? So have a great and fantastic Monday. See you in a couple of minutes. Bye bye for now.